Hi, I'm Mark Polk and I'll be your host today. In this video, we're going to evaluate a Coleman-Mach rooftop air conditioner and complete an RV Products cooling performance worksheet for warranty. Let's get started. You need to be familiar with these rooftop air conditioners and air conditioner sealing assemblies. Each form is tracked and can only be used one time. You need to contact RV Products for a new form for each case. If the form does not have a valid, unused tracking number and/or an RV Products technician's initials, the form will likely not make it to a technician for review. If any of the vital information is missing from the form, it will require an RV Products technician calling for the missing information. This will cause your customer additional time without comfort. Their discomfort will ultimately add to your discomfort. The model and serial number should be obtained from the rating label on the air conditioner. Keep in mind the build sheet of the coach is not always accurate. The customer will need to provide proof of original retail date of purchase. Here are some examples of where to find the rating plate sticker on the Coleman-Mach rooftop air conditioners and heat pumps. The rating label is located here on a standard TSR, here on a Polar Mach, and here on a Mach 8. RV Products needs to know the type of application to better assist you. Some examples are horse trailer, motorhome, fifth wheel trailer, cargo trailer, toll booth, park model. If a purchase order number is not given, the contact name used when the form is sent will be used instead. RV Products does not require a PO number in all cases, but it is strictly for your purpose. A PO number is used so you have a record of what is being delivered to you and the package will be expected. Without this information, RV Products doesn't know who you are or where to ship whatever part is needed. Without a phone or fax number, there is no way to contact you if RV Products has any questions. RV Products needs to know any days your company may be closed. RV Products will not pay for any redelivery fees. If the form is not signed and dated, the form cannot be processed. Does a compressor attempt to start? To answer this question, you have to know if the compressor reacts when voltage is applied. If it hums, vibrates, or gets hot, the compressor is attempting to start. Incoming voltage to the unit should always be checked from hot to neutral, not hot to ground. If you have voltage from hot to ground, it does not mean you have a circuit. You simply have potential voltage. To check for 120 volts AC on manual controls, place the leads on the black and white wires. To check for 120 volts AC on a control box wall thermostat application, place the leads on the black and white wires. If the compressor is shutting down while there is still voltage leaving the controls for the compressor, there are usually two components that will shut it down: overload and pressure switch, not equipped on all models. If the breaker trips, nothing on the air conditioner should work. Typically, if you have voltage all the way to the overload but not past, the overload's tripped. Here we are looking for the amp draw of the compressor while running. However, if the compressor is attempting to start but shutting down before it runs, we would like to get the attempted startup amperage. To check for compressor amperage from inside at the controls, place the ammeter on the purple wire. To check for compressor amperage at the compressor, place the ammeter on the black wire. Record the readings on the form. Some models are not equipped with a start kit. This field is only for models that are equipped with a start kit. In most cases, if the start kit is damaged, it will only require a visual inspection, as the PTCR will be physically burnt. If there is no start kit installed, no information is required in this field. Next is the add-on heat kit. There are some models that will require being replaced by completely different models. If they require a different heat strip for the change, RV Products needs to know that the original unit had a heat strip. Then we will know we need to send one for the replacement model. Knowing what type of sealing assembly is used for the application gives RV Products a better idea of how to help you diagnose the system if it doesn't look like the AC needs to be replaced. Ducted and non-ducted are referring to Coleman-Mach sealing assemblies. None is referring to an application where no sealing assembly is used, which some refer to as either a top-down mount or a ducted return. When taking the temperature readings, make sure you do not use a laser or infrared thermometer. They are designed to take surface temperature, not air temperature, and they will not be accurate. The optimal outdoor temperature range for testing an air conditioner would be between 75 degrees Fahrenheit and 105 degrees Fahrenheit. It can be as high as 110 degrees Fahrenheit or as low as 70 degrees Fahrenheit, but it will be more difficult to get accurate readings. Obviously, the closer you are to ideal conditions, the better and easier your diagnosis will be. The return grill is where your filter is. This should be the same as the ambient room temperature. It is recommended that this testing be done when interior room temperature is no lower than 75 degrees Fahrenheit. The supply air would be considered the cold air output from the air conditioner. You should let the unit run for a minimum of 15 minutes before taking this reading to let the unit get to peak performance. This reading should be taken as close to the air conditioner as possible, so in a ducted application, you would want to take this reading from the first available register from the AC unit. In a proper running AC, the temperature you get at this location would be 16 to 22 degrees lower than the temperature you read at the return. If the temperature difference you get is in this range, it is likely there's nothing wrong with the unit. If you are having trouble with any of the information given, or you have any questions concerning this or any other RV Products tutorials, you are welcome to contact RV Products Technical Support Line at 316-832-4357. Hours of operation are Monday through Friday, 8 a.m. to 11:45 a.m. Central Time and 12:45 p.m. to 5 p.m. Central Time. Thanks for watching, and be sure to check out the other tutorial videos RV Products offers.